Hello everybody and welcome back to a new episode of Clean 8-Bit. My name is Edwin and today we are going to be cleaning this Corsair K65 RGB gaming keyboard. Oh yeah. Now, I know I already did a video on how to clean your K70, which is the bigger brother right here. And now this is my keyboard, the K70 RGB gaming keyboard. And as you notice, the only difference between the K70, the big brother, and the K65, it's that we are missing that one section right here where the number pad will go attached to this. And also, if you notice on the K70, we have a dedicated wheel that goes up and down, and this is how you change the volume. And he also has this media button player here and a mute button up here. Instead, on the K65, we get just the mute button here and then these two buttons to lowering and raising the volume. And you also get the lock. I actually don't know what this does. I never use it, so I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't know what the hell it does, but I know this one lowers the brightness of the RGBs the more you press it. So of course we're gonna leave it on the super high because rainbows, right? And this is my wife's keyboard. She thought that it was gonna be cute to have a smaller keyboard than mine. However, she does complain all the time about not having that keypad. So every time she has to enter like a credit card number online, you know, to get those Amazon purchases. So if you do not need a number pad daily, then you don't have to worry, and this will be a great choice for a keyboard. And you also save a lot of space on your desk. If you have a smaller desk where you have no space, then this will be a great choice for you. So the first thing we're gonna use in today's video is the keycap puller tool. This is the same tool that we used on the last video to clean the K70, and this is how we are going to be able to remove the keycaps so that we can get under them and clean them pretty well. The second thing is going to be this swab, this cleaning swab that does not leave residue behind and has a tip made out of sponge. The third thing we're gonna use are these first aid alcohol prep pads with 70% alcohol. Now these come in a big box that contains 200 pads. So that's quite a lot of pads right here, 200 pads. This is pretty much the only type of alcohol that I was able to find at the stores. Ever since COVID-19 started, everyone started buying all of the toilet paper and also all of the goddamn alcohol in the world. And I even read reviews on Amazon of people getting fake alcohol, so like bottles of water pretending to be alcohol. Yet, we are still able to get White Claws. Priorities. The fourth thing we're gonna use is this cleaning brush, so that once we remove the keycaps, we can brush all of the big pieces of debris and hot Cheetos that we find under the keys. All right, now let's get to the nitty gritty. The first thing we're going to remove is this wrist rest. You just grab it, pull it backwards. This is made out of plastic. And you can see that it clips under the keyboard using this plastic arms. And this is like a rubbery material. Now we are just left with the keyboard, aluminum built keyboard. So this is all aluminum on the top, and then it is plastic at the bottom. Now I know this keyboard looks kind of clean because I cleaned it about 3 months ago or so, or maybe less. However, don't be fooled. You can already tell that my wife has been busy using it because there's some nasty sticky stuff under these keys right here. So we're gonna have to get under there, and who knows what else we're gonna find beneath these keys. Okay, so I am going to grab the key puller tool, and we are going to start from the escape key, working my way all around down here until I get to this key right here. I am going to place all of the keys up here, and I'm going to try to keep it in order. That way it'll be a lot easier to put them all back in, and I don't have to worry about putting them in the wrong place. We're going to speed this process up because it does take quite a long time to pull all the keys. So I'll be back as soon as I remove them all. Funny thing, guys, I just noticed that this number 1 has been upside down all of this time right here. So it was placed like this. I guess the last time we cleaned it, we didn't really pay attention to it, and it was just like that. and it needed to be like this, but nobody had noticed. So this has been the imposter key all along. Okay, so I already removed all of the keycaps. So all we have now is all of the exposed RGB switches and lights. I am going to grab the brush and just go over all of this area here. Slightly trying to remove all of the big dust and hairs and everything in between that is here. Believe it or not, a lot of crap likes to build up in between all of these keys. It can get pretty nasty, and that's why I say that you should clean your keyboard at least twice a year. Do it every 6 months, you know? Look at that, that's like a, I don't even know what the hell that is. It looks sticky. It feels sticky. Maybe it was like coffee that got spilled here. That kind of makes me want to go make a coffee right now. Now that we have dusted everything off, what we are going to do now is grab one of those alcohol pads, rip it open, and what you get inside, something that looks like this. It's a tiny wet pad. Grab it and go all over this area, especially on the area where we have that sticky part. Who knows what the hell that is? And you can see it over here that we picked it up on the alcohol pad, and just go over like this everywhere where you can go with the alcohol pad, getting all of these big areas. Kabam, kabam, kabam. Go over the Corsair logo, which I never understand what the hell that is. I don't know if it's a flying bird, some wings or something like that. Okay, and what I like about the alcohol pads, just like alcohol, is that even though it is wet, it is going to dry up pretty quickly, if not instantly. Now, for the finished touch, we're gonna use the swab and just go over all of these areas that maybe we couldn't get with alcohol pad. Oh, look, there's something here. And it doesn't look good. So I'm gonna grab the alcohol pad again, go in there pretty hard, and then finish it up with the swab. We are going to put this aside and we are going to focus on the wrist rest, and let's see if we can clean it with another alcohol pad. Now we're gonna grab this wrist rest and we are going to go like this all over this area. You see how much alcohol we're leaving there. It is getting wet with alcohol. And look at this, look just how nasty that looks. We are gonna go with the other side. I just love cleaning things with alcohol. It gives me that confidence that not only is it clean, but you are also killing a lot of other crap that you do not want in there. Bacteria, viruses, funguses, anything you can think of, alcohol will kill. All right, so it's drying, the alcohol is evaporating. All right, we're gonna put this on the side. Now what is left for us to do is to start cleaning all of these keycaps. So I'm gonna grab them and clean them. I wanna take this time to thank everybody who's been watching my videos. I really like it and appreciate it. You have no idea how happy I am to see that other people watch me cleaning things. But I appreciate all the comments and all the love. I am going to speed this process up. All right, damn, that took a long time cleaning all the keys. I think that's the most difficult part about cleaning your keyboard, just cleaning each and every individual key. So now we just have to put them in. Alright guys, so there we have it. How to clean your Corsair K65 RGB gaming mechanical keyboard. Damn, that's a long name. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to like. And if you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to clean 8-bit.